Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are fit and fine. For today's video, I've created this makeup look right here. Very simple, very easy. Before getting into the video, I would request you to please subscribe if you haven't. And now let's get into the video. So to start with, I'm using the Prequel Pore Refining Toner and I'm tapping it into my skin. Always start makeup with a clean and moisturized face. I've washed my face before this. Next up, I'm using Pond's Superlight Gel. It has a very mild and soothing fragrance, and when you apply, it's like you have drenched yourself into water. Really like this gel. I will just massage it into my skin, applying this to my under eyes really well, and don't forget your neck. Now I'm using Swiss Beauty Pore Refining Primer. It is a silicone based primer. Just warming it up between my fingers and pressing it into the areas where I have pores. It fills your pores and smoothen out the area by making a perfect smooth canvas for many layers that are coming ahead. Then I will just blend it all over the face to make it smooth. For foundation, I am using Swiss Beauty High Coverage Foundation. That was the outer packaging. My shade is NO6 Medium Beige. Taking two pumps of it. Then I am taking a damp beauty sponge, dipping into the foundation and dotting it to my face and also the neck area. Then I'm just blending my foundation with a very light hand. Blending your foundation is a process which will take time, so please don't get tired and keep blending. I hope you can make out the difference between both sides. It is the medium coverage foundation, but you can build it up to get the desired coverage.
Cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you.
Okay, moving ahead, I'm using LA Girl Pro HD Concealer. All the products will be mentioned on the screen and in the description box with the shade name and purchase links. So I'm applying this to the inner and outer area of my under eyes. Then by using the same beauty blender, I will blend it evenly by making sure I'm blending the concealer to the upward direction. I'm covering my eyelids also to cover the darkness because we are going to apply eyeshadow, and concealer on the eyelid helps eyeshadow to show the actual color. Then I'm applying this to the bridge of my nose, my forehead and chin area, and just lower than where we do contouring. Then I will just blend everything to almost nothingness. Next up, this is SFR color matte eyeshadow palette. I'm taking this contour shade from it and I'm contouring my cheeks. I will blend it and take it a little upward in curve by moving onto my cheeks so that it won't look harsh.
All the bad times with you, I wasn't missing a thing, no, I do. And I wish that I could put a time machine.
Then I'm contouring my nose and I will blend it with my eyebrows.
And now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine.
And again I'm using a beauty blender to soften the look of it and blend it properly. For blush I'm using Swiss Beauty Pro Blush and Highlight Palette and I'm taking this coral color. I used to hate blushes for some reason until recently, but now I really like how youthful it makes the skin.
I wish that you were mine. I miss you. I
I'm
miss
taking a little bit color on my nose as
you
well.
all the time. I wish I wish
Then a beauty blender to blend everything together. Then I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade 130. I will apply it especially on the places where I applied concealer and then I will just buff it all over the face.
What the hell am I doing this for?
After that, I'm using Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer to melt down all the powder so that it won't look powdery.
Finding peace in the memories of you.
For eyebrows, first I'm using a spoolie to just ensure there's no product remains stuck there. Then using the same SFR color palette and I'm mixing these two shades. My eyebrows are already dark, so I will just use a less color and draw in the shape of it.
Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish
Now I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette and using this light brown shade. I'm picking very less shade and placing it to my outer corner and bringing it to the crease area. I'm blending this in circular and windshield wiper motion and slowly building the color. Then I'm taking the dark brown shade and focusing on the outer corner and blending it. After that, I'm taking Makeup Revolution Concealer in the shade C5 on the flat shader brush and placing a very little amount in the center of my eyelid
getting high in
and
the
blending it with a very
sunrise
light
with
hand.
you. Getting through all
Now I
the
will
bad
just open
times
my
with
eyes so it will make a mark and I get to know the borderline of it.
I wasn't missing a thing, no, I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine.
Then I'm taking this blue aqua kind of shade and placing the color on the eye.
Oh, if only
You can use
I
your fingers
could
directly for the full intense color or you can wet your brush and then pick the color.
come and get you.
I'm building the color here and then I use my fingers to blend it.
I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the
Here I'm using this fluffy blending brush and taking this dark brown shade and blending the edges with it.
that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time.
Then I'm applying the same shade to the lower lash line.
I wish that you were mine.
For highlighting the inner corners, I am using Wet n Wild Shimmer eyeshadow. I tried to use it but the color payoff was not that great, so I am taking the highlighter shade from the Swiss Beauty palette.
What the hell am I doing this for?
Then I am using Swiss Beauty Prime and Set Loose Powder to clean the under eyes.
Bedroom floor.
After that, I am using Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner and lining my eyes with it. I am also tight lining my upper waterline with it.
Wasn't missing a thing, no, I do. And I wish that
Then I'm using the same brush without any extra product and smudging a little on the outer areas of lower lash line. For mascara, I'm using W7 Showing Out Mascara. Then I'm using Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petal. I will just apply on the highest points of my face.
get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss
For lipstick, I'm using Stay Quirky liquid lipstick in the shade Slutty Chocolatey Affair.
I wish that you were mine.
After that, I'm using a Primark liquid lipstick in the nude shade to tone it down. I don't have every possible liquid shade, so I usually mix lipstick to make the desired shape. This is the final finished look. I hope you guys like this makeup look. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Bye bye.